Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to use the DAX Today function. This DAX function is used to create a new column with the date of today. I will add today date as a new column. Select New Column. I will name my column as DAX Today and will write the formula equal to today. We will now format the newly created column. Let's convert the date and time format to date only or short date format. We have now created a new column using the Today DAX function. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel to get regular updates.